BMW you might want to race. Let's see. All right, so we're gonna head down to a private track with this 62mm precision turbo BMW 135i. He's E85, said he makes about 650 at the wheels. Gutted cage, Kirky seat. It is a manual transmission car, so he's gonna be shifting gears. I'll put the Instagram down below. It's a new Instagram account, so go give the guy a follow. We're headed out now, headed down to Mexico. Gonna get this little race in, and then I am headed home. Should be a good race depending on what roll we go from. He said he would do a 40 roll. He's on some Mickey Thompsons. Maybe he'll hook. I don't know. Who knows? It's anybody's game. That's a wrap, Fast World. So, I don't know. We did like a 40 roll, a 50 roll, a 60 roll. The 60 roll was definitely the best race. That one was really close. You guys can see that one. You guys let me know who you think won that race. Personally, I think George won that race. I guess this is why it matters if you put top speed mile an hour on the end of the race, because we can just race to infinity and see who wins, you know. So that was a really good race. That was a lot of fun. But I'd still rather road trip in my car. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate you. Please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Keep coming back for more Fast World content. Share these videos with your friends. Post them on Facebook. Does anybody still post on Facebook? Share them with your friends. Keep coming back for more Fast World content. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you guys. We'll see you next time.